Five Star's bumper mounting kits are the very best way to secure your bumper to your race car. They're included in Five Star's body mounting kits to give you everything you need to mount your body. Mounting kits fit all major body styles and have strong components to help resist damage. The front bumper mounting kit allows for precise adjustments to the nose. The rear bumper mounting kit is available in non-adjustable and height adjustable. The non-adjustable kit makes your kit a bolt-on component. The adjustable kit, as shown here, includes pivoting chassis mounts, which allows for the height adjustment for precise adjustments to the height of the rear bumper cover. These kits complete your body perfectly. They require very little welding and adjusting, and they're designed specifically to fit Five Star's components. There is no easier way to install a Five Star bumper. These kits are also very easily replaceable, so if you do happen to damage one, you can simply get a new one, and it will fit just the same as the original.